Epilepsy is a disease that can control your life. For example, the man you're about to meet had to give up his driver's license, his job, and much of his social life because of uncontrolled seizures. But a new device being researched at the Mayo Clinic is giving them hope. It's like a pacemaker for your brain that stops seizures before they can happen. Vivian Williams has this report.
Mike McKenna is back in school. After years of working as a building contractor, severe epilepsy has him learning new skills and looking for a new job.
It changed my life completely. I haven't driven it's been about 7 years now.
Medications don't help his seizures.
They happen in my sleep about every 2 weeks for the big one, and then I have little small ones that happen a lot during the day.
Mike doesn't want surgery because removing the area of the brain where his seizures originate would be risky. Desperate for help, Mike enrolled in a study at Mayo Clinic where doctors implanted an electrical stimulation device into his brain.
It's called responsive neurostimulation. It's a device that's currently in research trials at this time.
Dr. Joseph Servant says the device is like a pacemaker for your brain. You see, an epileptic seizure is an abnormal electrical disturbance of the brain. The device is implanted under the skin and 4 electrodes are attached to the outer layers of your brain. The device monitors brain waves, and when it senses abnormal electrical activity, it fires electrical stimulation and stops the seizure.
It's almost like shocking the seizure away.
Because Mike's in a clinical trial that's testing the effectiveness and safety of the device, he wasn't initially told if his implant has been turned on yet. But he has high hopes for the technology.
I hope that I can have this thing control me even just a little bit better,
so he can regain control of his life. For Medical Edge, I'm Vivian Williams.
And now a recap of the headlines. BVI authorities are investigating how private information were obtained from 2 BVI trust companies. House of Assembly withdraws the forensic report on the government's Treasury Department. Online media in the BVI accused of encouraging division in the community. Youth to benefit from $50,000 award program. Virgin Gorda residents hear plans for the proposed development of the Gun Creek area. Premier Smith says it is important to redouble efforts in tourism due to the ongoing challenges in other economic sectors. The BVI culinary team seeks more youth participation as they prepare for the Taste of the Caribbean competition. And the Special Olympics sailing team enjoys a fun day at their new home. In news from the Caribbean, HBO Latin America and Lime reach an agreement in the Cayman Islands for a new pay TV service. And PAHO says cardiovascular disease is the main cause of death in the region. Just a reminder that this entire newscast is available on jtvlive.net. Also remember to visit jtvlive.net for more news, press conferences, community events, and JTV's television programs. We welcome your questions and comments. You can email us at jtvnews@hotmail.com. I'm Mino Soman. Thank you for watching.
Wardrobe provided by Umi Fashions.
Welcome to British Virgin Islands Marketplace 2013. This is our first venture at our Marketplace, and I am thrilled, along with my team at the BVI Tourist Board, to have all of you here and to have you participating in this event. We sort of brainstormed and we came up with an idea because we wanted to launch our summer promotions and our staycation packages early. And we wanted to do something interesting and something a little bit different. We're looking at out-of-the-box thinking, or as I say, throw away the box. So we've thrown away the box and tried something a bit different this morning. And we hope that it's the start of something that we can do every year. The idea is that it gives us an opportunity here at BVI Marketplace for our industry personnel, or vendors, or sales agencies, and for the team at the BVI Tourist Board, for all of us to interact with you, and for us to conduct business meetings, and for us as well to serve as an information piece. So to that end, we're offering opportunities for partners to create packages for their properties and as well to interact with all sectors.
I'm excited about the opening of BVI Marketplace today. It is an avenue for us, government, businesses, tourism industry partners, and the people to work together to create partnerships and build new and existing relationships among businesses within the tourism industry. It is important for us to forge new businesses for the growth and sustainability of the tourism sector. That is why my government will continue to focus on the destination strengths in the areas of land-based tourism, water-based and nautical tourism, growing the super and mega yacht sector. The representation here today shows a relevant commitment with the number of participants here today. My government, through the board, has been expanding the destination's calendar of annual events, developing the destination's potential in the lucrative wedding and honeymoon market, and expanding the destination advertising and social media program globally. As a Minister for Tourism, I'd like to continue to solicit the public's involvement, businesses, and support for the activities that the board is organizing. This afternoon, the team will launch a staycation initiative where citizens are encouraged to be a tourist and enjoy the British Virgin Islands this summer, right here at home. Getting to know your island by taking advantage of the wonderful opportunity to enjoy some of the finest and most charming accommodations through special offers is encouraged. Sometimes we do not want the hassle of traveling, or we want to stay in the territory, but to get away from home, and this is a great opportunity. As we encourage people in this staycation venture, I encourage industry partners to make our locals your best offer. For example, 10% off dinner every night. Don't I mean you want to do that? Rent a car to the islands for a week and get 1 day free, or spend the weekend at your hotel or guest house and get lunch free for 1 day. By becoming a tourist at home, we hope that the wider opportunity community will become stronger stakeholders in tourism. Additionally, by experiencing the product, BVI residents become better ambassadors and caretakers of the products they experience.